Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on Lincoln guys. So if you have Lincoln MKX, Mks, Mkz, Mkt and other Lincolns as well guys, and you get a code P2197, stay with us guys and we'll explain what causes that code now. And we'll explain how to fix it. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. We'll be using guys this scanner right here by Foxwell. It's a very cheap scanner, and if you want to find where we got it from, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So let me show you now quick guys. I'll go inside, I'm going to start the car and show you how the engine light is on. But before we do that, okay, what I will do, I will connect the OBD scanner to the OBD port of that Lincoln. Usually it's somewhere under your steering wheel guys. Okay, you just plug it in, super simple procedure, and I'll start the car. Okay, if that sensor is bad, you will not pass emission test, you're polluting more guys, and you will actually use more fuel. And in the long run, if you don't fix it, you may even damage your catalytic converter because it's not mixing the fuel and air correctly for that part of the engine. It's a V6 engine, so you have two banks. This is bank 2, and I'll explain about that in just a second. Check out engine light. Okay, just stays on guys. Okay, no matter what you do, and engine light stays on. So I'll go ahead, turn the engine off, turn it back on, and now guys, right here we'll go to OBD. Make sure you stay until the end because I'll show you how we'll test the sensor, okay, and we'll compare the old to the new one and find out if it's working or not. Okay, we have one engine code. We'll click now read codes right here, stored codes. P2197 oxygen sensor signal bias stuck lean, bank 2 sensor 1, and we have one. Okay, I want to check the pending codes because sometimes you may get more than one. Nope, it's just the same code. Now guys, if I go back, okay, I want to show you something quick, and I click live data here, live data, it's going to wait a little bit, okay, to connect and communicate with the car computer. We'll be able to see the graph for the sensor and see, I'll show you how it's not working. Now we can do that test only after your engine warmed up guys, so you gotta make sure that you drive the car for at least 5 minutes before we can do that test. Now it's going to give us a list here, okay, and we'll click view data, and I'll just click complete data set. I'll start the car now. Car is started. Okay, this is the temperature for the thermostat, 95 degrees, that's the coolant temperature now. I'll go to the next screen. Okay, one more, and here guys, okay, we have oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1, and this is guys bank 2 sensor 1. That's the one that's bad. Check this thing out, it just shows 0 guys, and this one shows 725 175. Okay, this one is going to, if I rev the engine up, it's going to change. The bottom one, it will not. So the bottom one guys is practically unresponsive. Okay, it's not working at all. Now we'll go ahead and show you where it's located and what you need to do to replace it. So we open the hood, we remove the engine cover here so I can show you better. I already disconnected the sensor guys. Okay, now before we continue, bank 1, bank 2. How you know which side is bank 1 guys? Bank 1 is on the back side towards the windshield. Okay, bank 2 is towards the radiator. Because you have cylinder number 1, 2 and 3 in the back, cylinder 4, 5 and 6 on the front. This guy's sensor, okay, this is the sensor right here, okay, and okay, this down there, okay, it's extremely hot now so I don't want to touch it. Be very careful. This is your oxygen sensor bank 2 sensor 1, that's the one that we need to replace. If you need to buy one guys, we'll have the original sensor and the link, you can find it in the description of the video below. This is the oxygen sensor removal socket guys. This is one of the most convenient ways to remove it. It goes through the wires. Okay, you can see how it can go through the wires on top of the sensor, and with extension you remove it. So if you need to buy that one, we'll have it listed as well. We'll go ahead and replace ours. The video is on the channel. If you want to see the replacement, check it out. In today's video, we'll see just by replacing it if we can get rid of that code and if that will fix our problem. So we'll go ahead and replace ours and we'll see if we take care of that problem. So we put it together. What I'll do now, guys, okay, I'm going to go ahead. I will turn the ignition on. Then, okay, the scanner is not communicating now, so we need to go back. Okay, and before we click even the codes, guys, to delete the codes, I want to go back to that screen with the oxygen sensor. Okay, let's start the car. Car is started. Okay, check it out. It's working now, guys. Okay, it's changing as well. Just like the other one. It may take a little bit of time because it needs to heat up, okay, but definitely, okay, you can even open the graph. You can see the sensor going up and down. It's responsive, so definitely, guys, that take care of the problem. I'll go back and I will delete the codes quick. Okay, the codes, I'll have to turn the ignition, engine off, turn the ignition on only, and we'll click erase codes, erase them. Okay, and you can see, guys, now if I start the car, engine light will not be there. So that definitely takes care of the problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.